Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Porsche Charging Service account for route planning, full guide step by step. To activate your Porsche Charging Service account for efficient route planning, begin by accessing the official Porsche website. Locate the Owners section on the homepage. Select the option for Porsche Charging Service. You will be prompted to log in or create an account. If you are a new user, click on Create Account. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name and email address. Choose a secure password for your account. Review the terms and conditions and check the box to accept them. Submit your registration form to create your account. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation link. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Porsche Charging Service page and log in with your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Route Planning section. Here, you will find options to enter your vehicle details. Input your model and any other requested information. Next, link your account to the necessary payment method for charging sessions. Follow the prompts to complete the payment setup. Once your account setup is complete, explore the interactive map for charging stations. Utilize the route planner to find optimal charging points along your journey. Make sure to save your preferences for future trips. You are now fully set to use the Porsche Charging Service for efficient route planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.